Amazon notification says that the roll papers were delivered. Let's see if that's true. And yes! I finally got them. Finally, I can finish wallpapering the walls. And let's see. I know I've been living in disarray. My bedroom is just so messy. I can't stand it. But you know, this is only temporary, as I said. And let's see. So I am definitely going to get ready to work on this. Yay! Wow, it was quite complicated to wallpaper that corner, but here's one roll. I still have to do the other sections, and then I will be done with this little room. Yes, I finished. I finished. I am so sweaty right now. I have to assemble the cabinet. I might be completing this whole thing Sunday. Yeah, so that's what I have right now. I just love how the wallpaper looks from my bed. It's Sunday, and will I ever get motivated to assemble the shelf? I guess today is the day, but first things first, I am hungry, so we're gonna go down to the kitchen and see what I will be making for breakfast.
Ready to arm. Chime.
Mm. Mm. Oh, yay. Okay. Today's the day. I am going to assemble the shelf. So I can't believe I spent 1 hour just putting those two things. And the next step is this. I tend to screw things up. I am not a good builder. So at this point, I am going to either call a friend or pay a TaskRabbit because this is above my pay range. So I got rid of the big cabinet, and I'm struggling right now because the mini cabinet doesn't fit there. So that means that I have to take all these 3 shelves off and first install that, even though the instructions doesn't say that. So instructions are really crappy right now. Oh, I'm sweating big time. Laying down because I am so frustrated and tired and sweaty. And I want to do this. I can do it. I did it. I did it. Yes. So I ended up losing only one side and then moving things around. So I was able to fit the cabinet, mini cabinet in. Now, the next part is installing the doors, and then fully installing the shelf in this corner. Oh my goodness. Oh, well, I probably should take a break, and I'm gonna go downstairs and see if I can just get rid of the other cabinet. Let me show you what I have here. So I ended up disassembling everything, every damn thing. Look at that. All the pieces, and I probably have to like tape it. So now I am hoping, finger crossed, that this whole thing will fit in my car. Oh my goodness, that's another story. The shelf fit perfectly in the car. Ah, today is my lucky day. So let's take a look. Let's take a look. And all my stuff is in this cabinet, except for the nail polish. And these are my face products here. Brushes, makeup, and then this cabinet is like a hodgepodge of things. I know it doesn't look organized, but it's okay. And you see it has little scratches here and there. So I don't know how hardy this cabinet is going to be. Anyways, I don't put my makeup here anymore, so I take stuff and I normally do my makeup in the bathroom because there's more light. So it's fine, you know, it's corralling some things. And stuff that I'm gonna donate is in here. And then I need to reorganize stuff because in these cubies I have some few empties and some not. So here are my nail polishes. And I forgot to drop those things. I left them, you know, from the other cabinet. But oh, I can breathe now. Mission accomplished. I'm gonna end this vlog. Thanks again for watching and see you next week. Bye.